it's Deborah from the attic, and today I've cycled along to the pretty little village of Aillac. This was an old port village where the river Dordogne would come in to a little inlet and they would, I don't know, exchange tobacco. They used to grow a lot of tobacco around here, and that would go further inland following the natural waterway. And if I tilt you down, you can see where the old port was, just below where I am. I'm on top of a bridge at the moment. There's my bike, I've cycled along here, and this is my lovely view. And let me just show you the view if I pan the camera down. Isn't that pretty? And that's where I can continue my cycle. We've come down to the water's edge and there are some people fishing, so we don't want to disturb them, so I'll just show you the view and let you soak it in. You can see a lot of old abandoned boats here. I don't suppose anything happens to them, they just sit here. And you can see the houses of the village just between the trees.